So the big difference is quiet means silent, while quiet means very. Let's dive into some practice. Number one, please be blank in the library. Which word works? Well, in the library, we don't want noise, right? We want silence. So let's quiet. The whole sentence is, please be quiet in the library. Perfect. Number two, the movie was blank, interesting. If we said the movie was quiet, interesting, that makes no sense. It's not about noise. But if we say quite interesting, it means very interesting. So the answer is quite. Great job. Moving on to number three. He is a blank boy. A boy can't really be very boy, right? Very boy. But he can be silent, shy, or calm. So quiet fits perfectly. He is a quiet boy. Number four, it is blank cold today. Again, we are not talking about silence. We are talking about intensity. Quite cold means very cold. So it is quite cold today. If you are shivering right now, I feel you. Number five, she said blank during class. If she said quiet during class, that's nonsense. But quiet during class means she wasn't making noise. So she sat quiet during class. Nice work. Finally, number six. The book is blank good. A book can't be silent good, right? That's weird. But if it's quite good, that means very good. So the answer is quite. The book is quite good. Awesome, you nailed the first six questions. So to recap, quiet means silent, and quiet means very. That's the heart of it. Now I want you to do the extra exercise questions, number 7 through 12 on your own. Then check the answers at the end of this video. Okay, so I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work hard to make these lessons for you. So if you learned something today, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. I'll see you next time. Bye.